Hello everyone, this is Tina with My Beautiful Plan. Thank you for joining me today, and look what I have. If you are looking for a channel that is primarily planner related, then you've come to the right place. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and come join me in some fun. So today what we have is the Planner Anonymous box. I saw this on Michael. Somebody announced it on one of the groups that I am in, and I jumped on, and I will show you the main reason why I bought this box. But let's get to it and open it up. I've never had a Planner's Anonymous box before, so this is exciting. I'm going to take all this stuff out. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. I'm going to move the box. And we are going to dive right in. I'm going to start with the main player here. And I call it the main player because this is the reason why I bought the box. And of course, I will need... Okay. Look at the pretty flowers. I am not even a real big flower person, but lately I have been like excited about seeing flowers for whatever the reason is. I don't know, maybe I'm getting older. Who knows? I don't know. I mean, young people like flowers too, but this is why I bought it. Be-you-tiful. That's my channel. That's my channel. My Be-you-tiful plan. So this is what got me. So it is a cup, and it has a lid and a straw. And this right here is what sold me the box. So yeah, so I'm excited. Oh, actually, I think it goes the other way because that's the stopper. Oh, I'm so excited. So yeah, so that baby right there is what sold me the box. So we're going to put her right there because I think she's going to be a part of my shot always. Let's see. Try to keep this to a minimal noise, but with this cellophane wrap, that's kind of not the case. So don't listen for a minute if you have sensitivity to that noise. So first it's the washi. I don't know if you can see it. So it looks like it has a thinner washi here. And then this one has different, looks like maybe you can actually even cut it to different. Be lovely. It has the flowers here. And this looks like it has like planners and envelopes and flowers. So that's really pretty. Somewhat out of the light. Okay, so we have washi. Oh, and these are magnetic bookmarks. Those are always cool. I was going to order some the other day and I didn't, so that's nice to have that. I like the card here. Might be able to do something with that. Those are the magnetic bookmarks. And this. Oh, this is a sticker pack. This is really exciting. It really is. I'm really excited about this. Like I said, I've never had one of these before, so... Oh, another one of those cards. It says 181 pieces. So... Oh, that's nice. The headers. days of the week hitters. Oh, how pretty. This is really pretty. Just gonna flip through these. I don't know if it's still on sale, but it was at Michael's on their website, and I also I believe it was $29.99, but I also got the 20% off. Pretty, 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 pretty. Little girls. So yeah, so I think I paid just about $30 for it. I'm just guessing. I don't really remember, to be honest with you. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a pad. It's a to-do list. Nice. I wonder if it will stick inside. I don't know. We'll see. I'll show you how I use it. And these are stamps. I'm starting to get back into stamping. So, look, it looks like mile liners in here, and a ribbon banner, and books, and stationery. Oh, this is really cute. Pair of scissors. So that's really cute. I like that very much. And I'll show you the second thing that got me. These are more stickers. There's 48 pieces. I'm going to open it and see if it's 2 sheets or 1. I'm having difficulties here. I couldn't wait for the next couple days. I'm getting shipments in. Different things, and I can't wait to show you. Oh no, it's just the one. Oh no, it's 2. 2 of the same. Nice. I like that a lot. I really like these cards because I think I could do something with them. So I like that a lot. Okay, so these are die cuts. And they're pretty big, and that's what I also like. So we have a flower, a coffee cup. See how big they are? Can you tell? Like, I don't know if you can tell how big they are. They're pretty big. This is what got me, the camera. Yep. And these books. Oh, she's cute. Oh, I actually like these little cuties. Oh, that's nice. A candle and a plant. It has some gold foiling on it. One of the kind. Enjoy every moment. I like that. And this one. Isn't that pretty? Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, and this is the paper pack that comes with it. I don't, like I said, I've never ordered from Planners Anonymous before, so I don't know if, like, what type of items normally comes in the box, but I thought this was a really nice box. I do not need another subscription to anything, so I'm not even going to go look. And I don't believe that I have looked in the past, but I want to say that the boxes, their subscriptions are a lot more, but than what this box was at Michael's. So that's the front, and that's the back. I like the way the paper feels too. It's not too stiff, not too flimsy. Oh, this one's really pretty too. Oh. And then that's the back. And more flowers. and then the green in the back. Then we have stripes and flowers. These little girls are wicked cute. They are so cute. Oh my goodness. I really like those logos. And then the plaid, green plaid in the back. I love the books. I love that. Oh, and that one's really cute. It has planners. Nice. And that's the back. So yeah, so I'm really excited to receive this box. Like I said, there was a couple key items in the box, especially this cup, Be Beautiful. That sold me the box, but nonetheless, I love the box. I think it's really pretty, and I can't wait to dive in and use it. And let me know in the description box if you purchased this box and what did you think of it, and what was your reasoning for ordering the box. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and most of all, comment below with the questions I asked, and come back and see me another time. Bye.